Hey guys, welcome to the RTL Garage. The product we're doing for Recon truck accessories is their new LED strobes. These come in 3 and 4 head designs. This product is bright and it would work great on any work truck, utility vehicle, or even municipal vehicle out on the streets today. The wiring is pretty painless. As you can see here, there are 4 wires to connect: red, black, white, and yellow. With the red wire, you just hooked up to a fuse switch. Now, here's the cool part. The yellow wire will connect to the momentary switch, which will be connected to a fused 12-volt positive. Each time you press the momentary switch, it will cycle through your choice of 18 flash patterns. The black wire will connect to a solid ground. And then your white wire, that's a synchronizing wire. It allows you to sync 2 LED strobes together. If you're installing 2 strobes facing the same direction and you want them to flash alternatively, you connect one side's white wire to the 12-volt positive. The other side, leave the white disconnected. This will allow the strobes to flash alternatively. Now, that's a pretty cool feature made easy. Well, they sure look great on display, but let's see them on my truck. We're going to mount the LED strobes inside the grille using these extra brackets that you can get off of our websites or Recon's. These bad boys are going to be shining right through the grille and it's going to look great.
Start by marking the mounting holes. Use the appropriate drill bit to drill the mounting hole. Then, with the supplied hardware, securely mount the bracket. Install the strobes onto the bracket and be sure not to pinch any wires. I recommend pre-wiring 3 wires into a wire loom. Carefully run the loom out of the way of any moving objects. Connect the harness to the strobe. Heat shrink connectors are recommended.
Now on this one it's going to be a little bit different. The yellow, which is the momentary switch wire, will go to the yellows. And the black, which is still ground, will stay to ground. But the white, which will attach to the red wire, on this one, which will allow the 2 to synchronize together. And that will give you the alternating flash patterns.
Time to move into the cab. Locate the mounting location for both switches. Drill the mounting holes and remove any debris left by drilling. Then install the switches.
Alright, once you figure out where you want to mount the switch and the momentary switch, and you have all the wires installed, it's time to hook up the switch and see how it does. Ground wire goes to the ground wire of the switch. That will allow the switch to light up. The yellow will go to the one side of the momentary switch, and then you need a positive 12-volt source for the momentary switch to temporarily engage to allow your strobes to change pattern. Then the load wire for the LED strobes, power wire coming from your 12-volt fuse. Alright, well now that we got all the wires connected, it's time to try it out. Pretty cool, huh? And pretty inexpensive also. These strobes are going to last.
and they draw very little power from the battery. The result? Well, the results speak for themselves. Now, each time you press the momentary switch, it will guide you through each of the many flash patterns built into the strobe.
For more information, check out rtlgarage.com.